guys, here's the quick update for drone that I start building. So as I mentioned in previous video, I'm going to construct a drone on aluminum frame, and my plans are to be able to develop a passenger drone, but this is a small prototype for me to understand the dynamics of flight for heavy drones. So in this drawing you can see I have electric motor and prop. This is 30 inches prop. Each leg, it's going to be obviously 4 legs in there. Each leg is 24 inches long. So basically it's a pretty good sized drone. So that's kind of update for now. So this is going to be, I'm planning to construct ESC on the bottom of this leg basically, and batteries on the bottom of the plate, and it's gonna be flight controller, DJI A3 Pro flight controller, which I mount on the top of these plates. So those are aluminum plates, they are pretty heavy. I will probably create some cuttings in there to make a lightweight structure because it's still too heavy. Yeah, and at this point of time I'm still constructing, thinking is how to develop this, how to construct this. So there is a aluminum bar leg, and I think I'm gonna have like a perpendicular long leg over here, like one for helicopter they built. So and I have like I have a spacer between electric motor and leg. It's a plastic board spacer, so I'm gonna drill the holes in there and connect motor to this aluminum leg through this spacer, which gives airflow here, and also each motor has a wires that goes outside of this motor. That's pretty much it for today. I almost have all components come except DJI flight controller, and also I did not receive those aluminum legs here, but I already ordered them. So hopefully very soon I finish up the project, and I'm gonna show you how it looks, and then I will start build and construct this drone. So this will conclude this video. See you next video.